NFT and crypto games have kept improving over time, and some of the games that are coming out right now are actually very great when talking about the graphics, but also very enjoyable to play. So in this video we will talk about 3 of the best NFT games out right now. So let's get started with the video. First, a quick disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. Alright, so welcome back. Let's get right into this video. Before we talk about these 3 amazing NFT games, I do want to tell you that all the links to them will be down in the description. Alright, so if any point of time you want to check that out, check out the description. For now, let's get right into it. So we'll talk about 3 games. The first game we'll talk about is called Big Time. Alright, this is a gaming cryptocurrency that has gained popularity for its unique approach to merging blockchain technology with the gaming industry. It's a lot of funding, a lot of development into this game, and the game is designed to be used within the Big Time platform, where players can participate in various skill-based games and competitions to win big time tokens, because they also have their own token that launched not too long ago. As you can see, it's right now at a market cap of around $23 million, and it has performed fairly well since the launch. Alright, so that's always great to know. You can actually earn these tokens within the game, like I said earlier, but Big Time itself, there's a lot to it. Alright, like I said, great development. You have adventure within the game, you have different ways of exploration, but they also have NFT features. For example, your own workshop, like the Armory, the Time Warden, and the Forge, where you can build your own weapons, you can build skins, you can build hourglasses, which allow you to earn Big Time tokens, all within the game. That also works very well together with their own space, because that's what they have. Here you can see the in-game economy, a lot of different collectibles, things you can craft, places you can own, and that all works together with their own space. Alright, they have space within the game, and you need that space to actually build a workshop, for example. And then with the workshop, you can create your own collectibles, items, and that way an entire economy is built in-game. Alright, which is great. The game looks amazing as well. I mean, you can see some gameplay right here. You have different classes which you can have. Like, the graphics look absolutely amazing. A lot of funding into this game as well. Some of the best developers have worked on this, so I would definitely recommend you to check it out. You can actually play this game right now via the links down in the description. You can check it. But now let's get into the second game, which is called Star Atlas. So Star Atlas is also a gaming cryptocurrency. Atlas is the token, and it's focused on transforming the traditional gaming industry by introducing blockchain technology and decentralized applications into the mix. And Star Atlas itself envisions a gaming ecosystem where players have true ownership of their in-game assets and can trade them freely within the platform. Now, Star Atlas has been in development for a very long time as well. I think already for 2.5 years. The graphics look amazing. It's basically a grand strategy game of space exploration. It actually is in space, which Big Time is less. I mean, their land is called space, but it's not really in space. And apart from that, Star Atlas is a great game. You can see some pictures right here within the game. And if you press play now up here, you can also see a little bit more about the actual gameplay. So you can see some of the ships you can actually buy here with different ships. The graphics look amazing. And here you can actually learn way more about this. Alright, Star Atlas has been growing a lot as well. Here you can see some numbers, like for example, 5,300 profiles were created. And this is a report that's published, I think, every quarter. So that's great. In general, first of all, a lot of development went into this. It's doing great right now, and the community is growing. So definitely worth it to check it out. Now, the last NFT game I wanted to talk about is Gods Unchained. Gods Unchained has been around for a while. I think it's one of the crypto NFT games that has been around for the longest while still being played and used. It's basically a card game. You can see it right here. They made it to actually bring back ownership of the items to the players. Here you can see some gameplay. Looks a lot like Hearthstone, but it does have its unique synergies, its unique mechanisms, and way more. So basically, you can play different tournaments, you can play PvP, you can collect different cards, which you can also see right here on the marketplace, which you can easily get into via the Gods Unchained website. Again, links will be down in the description. You can trade, and you can climb the leaderboards if you're a really good player. Like I said, there's a huge amount of cards, as you can see, so there's a large amount of strategies that go into it. They already have a lot of different expansions, which all have developed the game and made it even more interesting. This game is really different from the other 2, but these 3 NFT games really are the best in the entire NFT game industry right now. So like I said, links will be down in the description. Check them out. But for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.